What triggered you to call American Paving Design?
Well, other than the pool decks around was just terrible looking, your company was recommended to us by our pool guy, actually, the A1 pool.
Oh, excellent.
And so we called, and Tim came right out, and we hit it off, and the rest is history.
Perfect. What was your experience with American Paving Design?
Absolutely perfect, and I have dealt with a lot of subcontractors in my life, but they did exactly what they told me they were going to do. They came when they were supposed to. They told me how many days it would take, and the guys that did the work were just like machines. They knew exactly how to do it and what to do it, and cleaned up beautifully and left, and we were still had our mouths hanging open. It was fantastic.
Excellent.
The whole experience.
One last question. What do you feel about your backyard oasis now?
Oh, it's beautiful. Look, it's gorgeous. We love it. We love it. We can't wait to start living out here.